Why do you believe mindset is so important?
Well, because it's how you do the tactical stuff is a mindset and what energy you bring to it. The tactical stuff is really easy. I remember, I looked at transcripts early in my career and I was learning to do automotive product liability cases. And so Michael Watts, who's a great lawyer at the time, he was just really hitting for it. I mean, just boom, boom, eight figure, a couple 9 figure verdicts, just really hitting one. And he had tried and won an F-150 rollover roof crush case in my county. I had another F-150 rollover roof crush case in the same county. And so he was nice enough. He gave me all his exhibits and he gave me his trial transcript. And I read like 4 or 5 trial transcripts. I'm like, because you go to the seminars, you learn all this technical stuff. And then I read his stuff and it's just like, this is really simple. Like he doesn't mention all this technical stuff. It's just like, you know, roofs are too weak. And when roofs are too weak, they smash down and break people's necks. And Ford knew that. And this is why they knew that. This is how they could have fixed it, but they didn't do something about it. It was a real simple message. And I was just kind of like, well, how in the world does he win with this real simple message? Because the success isn't as complicated as you think it is. I mean, litigation, honestly, 90% of it is file your lawsuit, take your key depositions, compel your key documents and discovery, get a trial date and keep it. I mean, it's not, and yes, you can do a better deposition. You can always learn more. But the fact is, just get a plan, be aggressive, get your case moving is 90% of it. When you're getting ready for the deposition, you'll review the documents better. You'll think about it. Just if you just get those simple things done, uh, and I think the mindset comes in is it's really, I know lawyers, I bring them in, I try to get them to do that. And they're like, well, I got to put off the deposition because I need to get a few more documents. Well, I need to put this off because I'm not quite ready for it yet. It's like, you just got to get in there and do it.